Students, good morning everyone. Today I am going to explain thermodynamic chapter. In this chapter we will learn this today internal energy and first law of thermodynamics. Now what does it mean by internal energy? Now internal energy, now some of the kinetic energy and potential energy of the system is called internal energy. Now one more we can write as the internal energy of the system is simply the total of all possible kinds of energies associated with the substance in that system. In that system is called as internal energy. Internal energy. It is a one statement we can write. The one more. What does the mean by one more statement? That is sum of the total of kinetic energy and potential energy. Potential energy of the system is also called as internal energy. Now one more also we can write. The energy is consumed internally. The system is called internal energy. The energy is utilized. It's internally of the system is called also internal energy. Now this internal energy represented as a E or U. Now for example I'm taking the change in internal energy. That is the H2 is a gas. It is changed into 2H is also gas. Now in this case the internal energy is changed 436 kilojoule per mole. It is a standard value. Now the standard values internal energy. Now in this case, now change in internal energy we can write as change in internal energy. And also this internal energy is a state function. Internal energy is a state function and it is a extensive property. It is a extensive property. State function and extensive property. Now the change in internal energy that we can write as delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. One more way we can write delta U is equal to U2 minus U1, U2 minus U1. Now if change in internal energy of the system, if change in internal energy of the system, internal energy of the system is positive quantity, then the system work done on the system is also positive. It is also positive quantity. And it is become positive. Now delta E is positive, the work done on the system. If change in internal energy is a negative quantity, then the work done by the system also negative quantity. Now this one we can represent it as delta E is negative, that which means that work done by the system is done the work. Now it is already expansion of a volume. Now delta E is positive. In the system the process is endothermic process and non-spontaneous and also non-spontaneous. Now delta is change in internal energy is negative quantity. Now in the system it's happen the process is exothermic process. Now what does it mean by endothermic and what does it mean by exothermic? What does it mean by exothermic? Means the energy is in the system itself, energy is released out. The energy will be released from the system to surroundings outside, and the energy will be come out. Now here the endothermic, what does it mean by endothermic? In this process energy required to come to do the work, energy is taking, this energy is releasing. That means in simple word, energy is absorbed or taking, it is energy is released or will come out. Now what does the mean by once again internal energy? Now the sum of all types of energies, all type of energy means nothing but kinetic energy, potential energy, internal energy, bond energy, vibration energy, lattice energy. These all types of energy internally they are utilized, then this is called as internal energy. Now it is represented by U or E, represented capital U or capital E. Now change in internal energy, we know already, change is nothing but delta, internal energy symbol is E. Now we can write as E2 minus E1, otherwise we can write E final minus E initial. Now change in internal energy, final energy minus initial energy. Now similarly if we take the symbol is delta U, it is also U final minus U initial. This is about internal energy. Now it is very important concept. For next one we are learning the first law of thermodynamics. This is a very important concept. Now it is also state function, but does not path function. It is a state function. It depends on the only state, initial state and final state, but not path of the system. It is a state function and also extend to property also.